in competitive exams like these questions they will ask in Maths Olympiads or IMO. If you see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 1000. Up to 1000 we have to add the numbers. Here the starting number is 1. 1 means this is a set of natural numbers. So if you see, in already I told what is the formula for this? N into m plus 1 by 2. Okay. So before going to this, one trick is there. So if they ask up to 1000 numbers adding, here 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros means 0, 0, 0, 0. And if we divide 10 with 2, the answer is 5. So we have to keep 5 like this. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. If x and y are odd numbers, then which of the following is even? Here they gave that x and y are odd numbers. Okay. So they are asking to find which of the following is even. Here one of the property, if we add two odd numbers, the resultant is even number. Okay. If we add two odd numbers, the resultant is even number. So if I take x as 1 and y as 3, if I add these 3, 1 plus 3 equals to 4. See, if I add two odd numbers, the resultant is even number. Okay. So here the correct option is A because x plus y is even. Okay. Root over A 8 times. Which means here very important, what is the root value? Square root value? Half. Okay. Remember this point. And if we see, first we have to write A. And one square root value half. Here 8 times is there. So we have to multiply half 8 times. If we multiply half 8 times, denominator will be 256. Okay. Half into half. 8 times. Okay. So here denominator is 256 and the numerator is 1 less than 256, which means 255. Okay. So this is the answer for this expression. Here option B is the correct answer. Okay. If x square minus 3x plus 1 is 0, then they are asking to find x square plus 1 by x square. Here they give one of the equation, and if we see x square minus 3x plus 1 means I am transposing equals to 0, I am transposing this 3x to this side, it becomes x square plus 1 is equals to 3x. Okay, if I transfer this x to this side, so x square plus 1 by x equals to 3, which means this is in the form x plus 1 by x equals to 3. Okay, so here if I substitute x plus 1 by x whole square equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, so here x plus 1 by x value is 3. So if I substitute 3 square equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, 3 square value is 9. So if I transfer this to 9 minus 2, 7. So here option C is the correct answer. Mod 3x minus 4 is less than 0 and x is less between. Here they give one of the equation and they are asking to find x less between. X value is less between number line. Okay. So if you see, the mod value of any equation or any number is always positive. Okay. So here positive value means it is always less than. Is positive value means it is always less than, but they give greater than. Here how it is possible? So the nothing is present. So the answer is pi. Here nothing is present means here this is positive, but they give that it is greater than positive. So the value is pi because there is no values for the values. Okay. So friends, in competitive exams like these questions they will ask in IMO or Maths Olympiads. If you see, find the value of this expression infinity times. So if they ask like this up to infinity times, simply we have to write the answer as if there any number present in square root. Here the 6 is the number present in square root. So the answer of this expression is 6. If they ask infinity times, So if you see here root 6 up to 5 times is there. 5 times is there means 6 power. We have to write 6 power. 6 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square roots are there. So 1 square root value is half. So 5 square roots we have to multiply. So if we multiply, denominator is 32 and numerator will be 1 less than denominator. Okay.